Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Pooh. So in today's video I'm going to check or you can do a quality test for a freebie which I got with a Q3 product, and it's a kind of multi-masking kit which has three type of masks. It has three type of masks and which can do detox your skin and brightens and also will rejuvenate your skin, means you will look younger if you will use this according to them. And they have not mentioned any price on this pack because it is not for sale, and but you can use it before 36 months. So they have given three type of small face packs in this one box. So let me show you one by one, then I will try that on my face according to the picture they have given on this box and the directions they have given how to use it on your face. So these are the three pack. First is sulphur marks which will boost glow and controls oil from your T-zone area, and the second one is a whitening mask which will detoxify your skin and also lighten your skin tones and also reduce brown kind of spots. And third one is a seaweed mask. It will purify and hydrate your skin and it is also antibacterial. So these are these three small container, or you can see boxes. These are very cute and small. So now I will put these three of the mask on my face as they have shown here, like this. So packing of this freebie is very small and kind of handy, and this is the outer cover and this is the inner cover, and in this inner cover they have given three small kind of basket, and these are really cute. And so I will just open. This is the first one. This is the green one according to them, and they have given it for oily skin, like especially for T-zone, but they have put it only on forehead and nose area. So I will also put it on my forehead and nose, which is actually oily, and sometimes I got pimples on my forehead. And the fragrance of this pack is really very good and refreshing. So I will just apply this on my forehead and also on my nose. And one mistake I have done here, and that I haven't done any patch test of this mask. And please, if you will use any kind of face packs from market, then please do a patch test before applying it on your face. But luckily I got actually I didn't get any kind of redness or any kind of reaction on my face. It was quite good and okay for me, so that was lucky. So this is the second one I'm applying on my cheeks, and this is for brightness of the face, and it is like a detaining mask, and it will also detoxifies the skin. And the consistency of this one is not really good. When I was applying it, it was also removing with my finger. It was not properly setting on my face. I don't know what the problem with this one, but it was not applying properly, so I didn't like this one so much. And this is the third one, and this is the last one. They have given it for chin area especially, because some people got some kind of pigmentation here around your mouth, and this is so this is antibacterial, and this is also purify skin according to them. So I'm just applying it over my chin and around the mouth area. So almost done with the application of the masking, and after that trying to give posing like this picture girl of this face pack mask. And after that I'm trying to read that how much time should I keep this on my face, but they haven't given anything like this on this pack. So after this इसमें थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट बच गया था and I was not intended to keep it for long, so I put this mask on him also and उसके बाद भी बच गया था. Then I put it on my feet also. Then it was completely finished and here it has been I think more than 15 minutes and it was not even then so much dry. Then I thought it is because of the weather. The weather is so humid these days and 3 of the pack was not completely dry, but even then I washed it off and after that this is my face. I was feeling fresh and it was not so much difference, but yeah, a little bit of difference I can feel here, a little bit, yes. So the quality of this product is okay, and yeah, if you like this video then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel and share this video if you like this. So we'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, and of course take care.